Good morning, guys. Welcome to science class. Let's continue talking about changes that affect the environment survival. We took what we saw yesterday. Tell me what a specific change. What a specific thing affect the environment?
Air pollution.
Pollution in general. We talk about pollution, right? We said that
Land pollution, air pollution, water pollution.
Exactly, because there are three different kinds of pollution. Air pollution, which is contaminated with smoke, okay? Smoke, and I also mentioned that noises contaminate air, okay? The second one was land pollution. Land pollution is polluted with every piece of trash we throw, every piece of trash we produce. But yeah, it is true that our houses are clean. Our houses are clean. Our neighborhood probably is clean. In the city, most of the streets are clean. But all the garbage we produce go to one place, go to a landfill. A landfill, en este caso es el basurero. So it doesn't mean that one car collect the trash and then disappear. No, all of that trash is in one place. So the contamination is still there. That's why it is important to reduce the use of plastic and special plastic. Reduce the amount of garbage we produce every single day. Now, this is in the information you have to write. Protecting the environment. Everything, please, you have to copy everything. Protecting the environment. There are many ways to keep air, land, and water from becoming polluted or contaminated. Do you know what is recycle? It means to use the same materials over and over again. That's why in supermarkets there are what is the word you say, Jose Enrique? The bags we can buy in supermarkets? Ecological. Yes, that's true. Ecological bags, because we can use them over and over again. The same bag. So we don't need more plastic. Exactly. When I go to the grocery store to buy something, and it's something I can carry without any bag, so I said, don't give me bag, please. No plastic bag. Because then that plastic bag is going to be in the trash. I don't need more plastic bags. Recycle is our way.
Please, I don't throw the bags of the supers in the trash can. I la guardo.
Yeah, but eventually.
Because sometimes I'm gonna need it.
Yes, but after you use that bag a second or a third time, it's going to finish in the trash. It will. And the ecological bags that we can buy in supermarkets are going to last more time.
My mom don't use anymore the normal bags, the one of plastic. She uses
exactly.
She has a ecological bag.
Ecological bag, yeah, exactly. Ryan, are you here? I'm asking for video. And you say later, but are you here, Ryan? What are you doing, Ryan? You have to copy all the information that you can see on the screen. everything.
Yesterday I sent you a thing of language
Thank you.
and the thing of spelling.
Me yesterday sent the homework one of social studies.
You send it. Oh,
Yes.
well, I sent a message in parents group because
I
let me see
finished.
how many students. 10 students have to correct homework of social studies. 10 students. I send the list in the parents group because it's
I
not
finished
correct. It is not
sent
correct.
yesterday the homework.
Of social
I have it
studies.
correct. I
Yes.
have it correct.
No. No, but I already sent the list in the parents group.
Yesterday.
Miss, if I
Now.
remember, I was not in
Today.
now. Oh.
Today,
So
I sent it.
that means that I got it incorrect.
Yeah, but I'm giving you the opportunity to correct your mistake in order to improve your grade. Okay, so I'm giving an opportunity to 10 students because others got 5 out of 6.
Miss, ayer le mandé la tarea que tenía, tarea vencida. Miss.
Yes, but I'm saying, okay, yes, Crystal, but I am saying that I was checking social studies homework, and also you, Crystal, have to correct your homework of social studies because it's not correct. So you have to go and check the homework again. I sent a message in the parents group. Okay, continue. So recycle
What homework is that?
Homework number one. Okay, so recycle, as I said before, is to use the same materials. When we recycle also, we can create a new product from recycled material.
Victor.
Thank you. We can use the same. Did you finish copying? Or let me change the question. Who is copying?
I'm copying, Miss.
I'm copying.
Okay, so we can use that recycled material to produce a new product, to make a new product. Make a new product using that. Plastic is one. Plastic is it's a material.
I'm copying.
Thank you. That is very useful to do recycle things. The plastic bottles, have you seen that some people make bases for plants? Have you seen that? The Coca-Cola plastic bottle, the big ones, the 3 liters, some people plant seeds, flowers in those plastic bottles that they are reusing.
I finished, Miss.
Because there are other words. There are other words, not only recycle, is reuse and also reduce. So reuse is use that again. See, like this bottle, for example. I know that this one is not discardable. No es desechable. It's not discardable. So I can reuse the same bottle again, and again. But recycle is to take, for example, plastic bottles and make a different products like pails. Las pailitas que usamos en la pila to wash our hands. Have you seen them? Have you seen them that they are colorful? Some of them are red, green, blue, and not clear. They are not transparent. Why not? Because they are made of recycled plastic. And the bottles, some of the recycled bottles have some color. So that's why they are not transparent, because they are made from recycled plastic. Another May I continue? Guys, may I continue? Yeah. Yes, okay. No one is copying. Who is copying?
Me.
Okay, and reuse. Reuse is what I said, the example I gave with this bottle. I filled this bottle with water again, fill it up again and again. So I am reusing, but it's the same product. It's the same bottle. It doesn't change. And reduce is what we are doing in the supermarket with a plastic bag. We reduce the use of those plastic bags. We are using ecological bag that can be reused again over and over again.
Or it can be named recycle bags, right?
Recycle what?
Recycle bags in
Yeah, recycle. It could be. Continue. Who is copying?
Yes, Miss, continue.
You have a question, Santiago?
I need to copy all of the classes of yesterday and Monday.
I already sent a message in parents group. I already sent it, what you have to do.
Okay.
Okay, can you mention some ways to protect our environment? What can we do in order to protect our environment?
Plant new trees.
Plant, okay. We can.
And clean the planet.
Yeah, plants new trees. Keep our planet clean.
the cars.
Okay. Walk could be. Walk instead. Do you think that walking could be a good
English.
instead of drive? Or yeah, I know that in some families, every member has a car.
En English, Miss, recoger toda la basura del planeta.
Yeah, keep our planet clean. The second one. It could be collect the trash, collect all the trash in the planet. Definitely. But where do we have to start to do this? We need to start to do this at home. You need to start to collect all the trash from your house, from your bathroom, from the house, from the street that is in front of your house. So we need to start in our house. That's what we need to do in our neighbor. Yeah, planting trees, that's good. So we can start plant a garden in our house, or we can start planting a tree in a park. If your neighborhood has a park, you can plant a tree in the park that is close to your house. You can start there. You don't need to go to a mountain to plant a tree. You can do it in your neighborhood. And you will see that with trees, your neighborhood is going to look better. It's going to look better. It's going to look beautiful. What else can we do in order to protect our environment? What do you think? You know what can we do? We can turn off lights.
Miss, I know how.
Yeah.
Don't throw trash in the street and throw it in garbage.
River, ocean.
Exactly. So let's write it in general. Don't throw garbage, no matter where. On the street, in the water, in the ocean, no matter where. What else? Another idea, we can help our planet.
Recycle.
Recycle. Yeah. Recycle. We also can reuse and reduce. We are doing it. It's incredible. There are countries like Mexico, for example, that any business there give you a plastic bag. Any business. If you go to the supermarket and you forgot your bag, your ecological bag, so you have to buy a new one, or you take sus compras, right? Your supplies in your hands. I used to do that here in our supermarkets too. So when I think, oh my God, I forgot the ecological bag. So I am not going to buy many things because I am going to carry them in my hands. So I don't buy many things, even though,
Miss, ¿cómo se dice de que los humanos no usamos cosas de humo con petróleo? Y hay un montón como la represa eléctrica del Cajón. Use less oil, petróleo.
So, less, exactly. So we can use less petroleum, and we can also produce more. It is called clean energy. Se le llama energía limpia. Clean energy. Why clean energy? Clean energy is made of it is produced by using the wind and the water, and also the sun. Solar panel. I don't know if you have traveled to south, al sur. Over there are huge solar plants.
Represa el Cajón.
El Cajón also is a hydroelectric power station. In Santa Ana, have you seen those huge wind what? It is las eólicas. They are producing electricity and they are not using petroleum. They are using the wind. Santa Ana has a very fresh weather. And there are many of those located there. They capture the wind and produces clean energy. That's how we can help our planet. Okay. So guys, environmental protection. See, waste sorting. Try to sort and recycle household waste. See, and we don't do this. Our culture hasn't learned to do this, to classify the trash. We throw everything in the same bag, and we need to start doing this. Waste is collected at its source in each area and separated. See, paper, because paper is a recycled material, glass and plastic. And also we have to throw the organic trash in one bag and separate the other ones. Energy saving lamps. Compact fluorescent light bulbs use at least 2/3 less energy than standard incandescent bulbs to provide the same amount of light, and they last up to 10 times longer. So these one are very common now in our houses, right? Look at the screen, please. What are you doing? No one has to be writing, coloring, or drawing, right? Guys, I don't want to say names. So, levante la cabeza, please. Because you have to be looking at the screen. Maria Fernanda, stop doing whatever you were doing, please. Using of solar energy. Look at this panel. There are few houses that have solar panels. Or have you seen garden? People use very nice lights in gardens. Have you seen them? I have a neighbor here in the same street I live that during the night, well, I used to walk in the night. I used to walk at night. And the garden of one of my neighbor has solar bulbs, solar lights. And the garden looks beautiful because during the night, those lights are on. Those lamps collect the energy during the day, and at night they are on. My neighbor.
You have a photo.
No, I don't. I don't have a photo, unfortunately.
Please, this night, try to take a photo.
Oh well, I will try. And his garden looks very beautiful, very beautiful.
How it looks? Describe how it looks. Describe it.
I will try to take a picture. It will be better. I wish to show you. Okay, solar roof panels. Install solar panels on your roof. Solar panels capture the energy of the sun. Yeah, who's speaking?
No podemos hacer un dibujo de esos.
You can draw the house with a solar panel. Solar energy.
Miss, I write. Miss, in a part of the notebook, I write like a mountain with water full of trash.
Okay.
Draw
Draw the
Miss,
house.
I'm gonna write the hand with the plant
Okay,
want to know the food.
but let me continue. So here, and use that energy, the power lights and heaters. Yeah, there are in other countries, there are many houses that use solar panel in order to reduce the energy they need, the electrical energy they need. Vegetarian food, go vegetarian once a week. One less meat-based meat a week helps the planet in your diet. Plant trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and emit oxygen. Improve our area water quality and help make the ground more fertile for other plants. And also makes our weather fresher. Changing transportation habits. That's what Jose Enrique mentioned. Walk or ride a bicycle when your destination is close to home to avoid harming the environment by car pollution. Yeah, that's true. I know that sometimes we say, oh, by walk all that long distance, it's gonna be very tired.
But what happens if the place that you want to go is lejos?
Yeah, but here says if your destination is close to home. Of course, if I, in my case, that if I have to go to the school, walking is going to take to the school is probably is going to take me a couple of hours, not 10 or 20 minutes. It's gonna take me maybe 3 to 4 hours, maybe 3 hours to get to the school because I live very far away. Like, okay, far away. Okay, thank you for standing up for the planet this Earth Day. Thank you so much, guys. So we finished this class.